Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. Today we got a snow day. It's Tuesday, and man, Knoxville is pretty much shut down completely. I went ahead and came in today because, why not? So we were supposed to have a tournament tonight. Not going to have a tournament tonight, but I guess I'll give you a preview of what we were going to have on deck today. So this game's pretty much done. Jane was going to come in today, put all this nonsense back on here, and we were going to play this Road Kings. Test it all out before the dude picks it up. It's going to be a great playing game. That one's still in the works. Some of y'all watched the video on this one. Ended up taking all the mylar off of it. I wasn't planning to, but Jane was just scrubbing it, and it was a real thin mylar. It kept frying up, so it pretty much just had to come off. A lot of work there. It's almost all gone except for a little bit on the inserts that's still left. She's still got to get up. So what else were we going to have? We were going to have the space mission. This Twilight Zone. I got one video in there. Got the pop bumper rings for there. I was going to put those on today. And this one, it still needs a little bit of, it definitely needs a shop job. Not a super deep one, but the rubbers are a little bit crusty. I haven't looked at the flippers. Might need a flipper rebuild. This one's wasn't going to be in it, but I got all my parts for shopping this. I've got another video. If you want to watch this fixing it, repaired it. I basically got it all working, and I've got all my parts in to shop it now. So that'll take place soon. We're going to play this Skyline. We were also going to play this Junkyard Wars. I've got another video not posted yet. Had a switch matrix error. It was basically a bad solder job on this is the new switch. The one I pulled out there was just horrible, so that's going to go back in there. I was going to get this done today. We're going to play and test this one tonight. This is kind of a long-term project. It's getting a new play field. We're going to play this Cyclone and Captain Fantastic. This is another fun house I got in. It's going to get a really full shop job on here, basically tearing everything apart. Everything short of new ramps. And so that's what we were going to do today. We're having the tournament tonight, but no tournament. I mean, it's short of having a four-wheel drive. It's pretty dicey out there. Even with it, it's still. I mean, it's the roads are the bigger roads. Like I came down Kingston Pike, and it was mostly cleared off, but it's still a layer of ice underneath, so still pretty slick. The intersections were kind of salted a little bit, just enough to get salt sprayed all under the undercarriage of your car, but that's about it. So anyway, hated to cancel the event, but pretty much everything's closed. I mean, this parking lot, like I'm the only fool that came in here this morning. I mean, seriously, there's no well, Django came in. Django absolutely loves the snow. It confuses him a little bit when he runs around because he can't smell anything. It gives him a little bit of anxiety running around. I can tell it. He's sniffing and sniffing and sniffing. He can't smell anything. All his normal smells are not there. It kind of makes him a little anxious. Yeah, I know. But anyway, so we'll have another tournament next month on third Tuesday, barring another big snowstorm. This is like the biggest snowstorm Knoxville's had since my kids were like, it must have been based on their age about 8 years ago, I'd say, when we had enough snow to build a big snow fort. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Cheers. The local inhabitants of Knoxville have constructed this ancestral snow dome following Alaskan techniques. We're not sure exactly where this technique developed, but the people that live in these are a little bit miniature, although they do wear modern clothes. Let's take a look at these two creatures we have under here.
Lena.
Who else is in there?
Emily.
They speak limited English, but they do seem happy and warm and out of the weather. Did y'all have fun building your snowman? Your snow fort?
Yeah.
What's the name of your snow fort?
Igloo.
Igloo. Say hi.